So vlog, what's up? You find me in the precipice position this morning, or this afternoon actually, of being up on a ladder, up next to the study, routing an Ethernet cable between the study and between my bedroom over there. I bought this Ethernet cable at the beginning of the year to connect mine and Darren's bedrooms at our apartment and that, to share the one Ethernet cord we had in the apartment, and so that we have better speeds in that. And now that I'm home and that, I might as well use this thick Ethernet cable and connect my computer in my room to the router in the study. So that's what I'm busy doing. Let me pick up this cable from this tree here. I'm really trying hard not to fall off the ladder as well. That would impede my ability to make videos quite a lot. And I'm inside now with a successful conclusion to the installation. On the left hand side I have my speed test from before, and on the right hand side with so before with the Wi-Fi, and on the right just with the Ethernet cable. And yeah, previously my download was like 9.8, upload was 5.9, now my download is 9.9, the same, and upload's 9.3, like a 4 megabit per second increase. And while these little speed tests don't show that much in the case of actual numbers, actual performance, like when you're uploading a large video, it makes all the difference to be on a wired connection connected straight to your router. And as someone who uploads big files like my YouTube videos between 2 and 4 gigs each, having a wired connection makes a big difference. So yeah, might as well put this 20, maybe 50 meter cable to use. I'm not sure actually, I think it's 20 meters. And so yeah, got some good connection now, and all it required was a bit of wiring. I'll have to sort that out now, lol. And then going over to the study, and 100%. Got myself some speed. So it's that time of year today. It's the time of year where I clean my room. So that actually looks kind of decent right now, but there's lots of stuff in my cupboards that I need to sort out, that I need to give away, that I need to recycle, that I need to donate to charity. And so yeah, let's turn my room from this all the way into this. So I haven't actually cleaned up much. I've just taken everything out. All my drawers out. There's all my clothes and that are still in my cupboard and that. But I'm just going to sort stuff into 2 piles, like a throwaway pile and a giveaway pile, and the stuff I'm keeping pile. And then as I pack it back into the cupboards and the drawers, put them back on the shelves and stuff. I think that's a good plan, at least. Let's see how it goes. I'm starting with these drawers down here, and I think the easiest things to get rid of will be my matric books and matric papers. So I've got here like English Home Language Paper 2, National Senior Certificate Exam 2017. Oh, this is my English exam. Damn. Shit was easy. Like Afrikaans book. Jeez, use a lot of paper. Hey, there's a lot of extra paper here I might be able to use. Got my science book. Oh fuck! What are those? Skeletal formula, structural. Oh, these are chemistry flashcards. Why did I ever make these? I probably never used them. You can see my study methods have changed since I've gone to university. What a waste of paper, Mitch! Goodness! So I've made some progress, and I just found the old notebook that I was using at the beginning of first year to keep track of all of the things that I had to do here. And you can see here just lists and lists of things that I had to do and things that I wrote down for myself to do. I can see here EVN, ClickUp assignment, that was our Introduction Circuits course, WTW worksheet, FSK, that was physics, class test, touch questions, WebAssign, go to bed early, please, listen to my friend Amir's voice notes, equations of motion, summarize physics and that. Just so many interesting stuff. So interesting to go back and see the things that you said for yourself and see the things that you were stressing about here. I see even at the beginning of varsity here, I wrote down some things like what's the worst that could happen if you fail and that. Investigate stuff. So interesting to look through this old stuff and look at how much I did. University degrees are damn long, but only when you go back and look at the day-to-day stuff of what you actually did to complete individual modules and the degree as a whole. It's actually incredible. Over here I found all of the notebooks that I used this year for varsity. It's quite a lot, and I don't want to show you too much detail, but like all of these pages are filled with calculations and TUTS problems and past exams and practice and planning and practicals. All from this year, 2020. That's rather a lot of information to go into one brain in 1 year. Good morning, it's the next day now. I know it doesn't look like it, but I finished my room cleanup. I know it looks messier than before, but bear with me. These are all the clothes that I want to give away, that I don't wear anymore, or are too small for me, or that I actually have no need for and can go to a better cause. So I've got some shoes there, some winter clothes, some bigger jackets and that just don't fit me anymore. Got some books. This is all just the stuff I need to throw away. It's recycled paper and that. It's an old motherboard from a computer. This old mock camera we built in high school. That's just some stuff that needs to go downstairs. And yeah, I really know it doesn't look like it, but room cleaning and spring cleaning is not just about making it look pretty, but it's about, simplifying your life, giving away stuff you don't need, or stuff that's like taking up space in your room that you don't have a purpose for anymore, and that can go to a better cause. So yeah, so this is everything that's been given away. This is an old computer that just needs to be recycled at an e-waste facility somewhere. This is a bag of clothes, another bag of clothes, a pair of shoes. Yeah, good to get rid of stuff you don't have a use for anymore. Hey, Cage, and it can be used better by other people. What do you think? Yes, Mitchell, I agree. You're pretty, Cage. You're a pretty dog. Come on, let's go see how clean my room is. And here we arrive at a completely clean and finished room. Spring clean was a complete success. Desk drawers are empty, other drawers are empty, desk is cleaned, chest of drawers is cleaned, shelf is cleaned, we gave some books away, old notes, all of this is sorted. Let me show you. All of this is sorted exactly as it should be, all neat and in piles where I know where I can find stuff and where I can find individual books. All my circuit components here in the top drawer, neatly arrayed. Yeah, it's a picture that I showed you. And yeah, all nice and clean. Mission complete. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. Now I've got to go and clean my bathroom cupboards, but that's a story for another day. Yeah, really happy, all clean. Clean room, clean mind, you know how they say. Thanks for watching this interesting kind of cleanup, quasi holiday vlog, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, eh?